Today, we're diving straight into the most effective ways to maximize your GrabPay fuel discounts. GrabPay has become one of the leading digital wallets in Southeast Asia, and pairing it with fuel purchases can save you significant money every month if used strategically. First, always check the Grab app for ongoing fuel promotions. GrabPay frequently partners with leading fuel stations such as Shell, Petron, Caltex, and Petronas to offer cashback or instant discounts. These discounts often range between 10 cents to 30 cents per liter, depending on the promotion and station. These deals are time-sensitive, so staying updated ensures you never miss a high-value offer. Link your GrabPay wallet to a credit or debit card that earns points or cashback on digital payments. For example, pairing GrabPay with a card that offers 2% cashback effectively increases your fuel savings on top of GrabPay's existing discount. Utilize Grab Rewards points for additional reductions. Grab's loyalty program allows you to convert points into fuel vouchers or instant deductions, which can save another $1 to $3 per transaction. Redeeming points in combination with active promotions can stack discounts, reducing your fuel bill significantly over time. Always pay through the GrabPay wallet instead of other methods. Some stations offer exclusive discounts for GrabPay users only, which are not available for cash or card payments. Checking the app before refueling can instantly show which nearby stations have the highest GrabPay discount rates. Finally, keep track of recurring promotions, especially during weekends or special campaigns. Grab often launches targeted promotions for specific users, sometimes offering up to 50 cents per liter off. Planning your fuel stops around these campaigns ensures maximum savings. By combining GrabPay promotions, cashback credit cards, and loyalty point redemptions, you can consistently reduce your fuel expenses without changing your driving habits. These tricks are simple, actionable, and can translate into hundreds of dollars saved annually.